Okay, here we are in the bathroom. Now, this only thing that needs it's grout. Grout. Is that the word? Grout. So I'm gonna do that. But first I need to really clean this. Let's clean this. Sponge. Sponge is coming. Oh, almost. Where is my white grout? That's a weird word. This one. First, white. Oh, let me explain why white now. Actually, I'm gonna put the 3 different colors in the bedroom. First, I'm gonna put the white around the corners where it touches the ceilings. Then I'm gonna put the same color of grout on the floor, the same color that is in the other rooms. And then I'm gonna put a black with the sparkles on the walls. Oh boy! Done with white, now the silver one. Good morning! It's another day. I'm fresh and rested. And now it's time for the black grout. This is gonna be interesting. It could be awesome or so bad. But anyway, let's do it. We'll see. Oh, look at that. A black one with the sparkles. Gosh. That's gonna be tough to clean. Okay. Shall we put the black in? Let's do it. Oh boy. That's gonna be messy, I already see. That's gonna be tough to clean. I already see. Oh my god, look at that. Oh boy. That's gonna be cleaning, scrubbing. Well, I don't know how great idea was this black lines, black grout, because these tiles having this kind of, you know, it's not, I don't know how to say, but it's have kind of relief, I don't know. So this grout sticks in. So in a black colors, this is so visible than in the light one. So this is gonna be scrubbing a lot. I hope that at least looks great on the end. Well, I learned something. I'm definitely not gonna use a black grout in a bright tiles again, because this is suck. I don't even know if I wanted to do another wall with this black grout, because this, oh boy, how to get out this? Well, I kind of clean it as much as I can. I mean, it looks really nice. And those sparkles, and when it's gonna be dry, it's gonna look even better. But when you look closer, you can see there is still left. Can you see? It's not nice, right? I really wanna to continue with this black on this side. But I need some other strategy, because this take me too long to scrub it all, and it's still not the best. So I don't know, should I tape it with a tape? But that, I don't know. Well, I don't think so that tape is the solution. It's gonna take a lot of time and a lot of tape. I may just wipe out with water faster. Yep, I think I'm gonna do that. Just wiped out immediately. This black grout taking from me so much time, but I'm gonna finish today. But first, I need a lunch. Then, in afternoon, I'm gonna continue and finish this. Because I really need to put the toilet in. And I hope I'm starting doing that tomorrow. So, yes, I'm gonna get to my toilet. Eventually, something is already cooking. More pasta. Pasta with lots of veggies. Yoshki. A little bit more cheese. And it's ready. Bon appetit! You wanna pasta, girl? Just too much for me. Come on, please. Huh? Push. See? I'll take your road. Pasta! Oven, yeah? Push it off. Sammy! It was too much because I got a dessert, tiramisu. Oh, the best one! Ha ha ha! Ooh la la! The best, the best. She is a good washer. Oh, you can't see. Whew, that was nice rest. Now back up there to my black grout. I don't know if I'm even pronouncing this word right. So here we are. Let's finish this. Well, I'm on the end. And if you ask me if I do this again, if I knew that it's gonna take me so much time and so much cleaning, cause this, I thought it would take me 2, maybe 3 hours, but now it's a whole day. But as I look at this, it looks so nice. So yeah, I think I would do it again. But I'm glad I didn't do in the rest of the rooms on the floor with some kind of darker grout. That would be such a killer. I'm finished! Well, look at this. It's awesome! Tomorrow, a toilet. You can't see those sparkles, can you? But it's looking so great. I love it, even if it takes me so much time to do it. But I will never put this in the floor, because that would be too much. So, see you tomorrow when the toilet is coming in! Finally! Finally. Oh. And also I realized I don't have the right what's this? Gilberts or what? To drill into the tiles. But then I never use the special Gilberts for drilling into the tiles. I always use one of those that I already got. So, I don't know, it must work. But you know what? Now I'm looking those tiles and the grout. I'm not that sure that I like this black one. Cause look, there I got this gray bright that I have everywhere. And it's nice, but here I got this black. This is kind of nice, you know? It's almost better than this black one. Oh boy, man, I don't know. Yesterday it looked so much nicer than today. This is it now, so doesn't matter anymore. Toilet, toilet, toilet. Oh, so first I need to see where I'm gonna drill. Whoa. Wise. It would be so nicer if I could push it more back, but I can't. Oh, you may wonder why I put in the shower here the bright and then here the black. Why I didn't put the black also here? That's because here is the water. And from the water you got these white flakes, white spots, and it would be so easier seen in the black surface more than in this bright. Yeah, that's the reason. Toilet! So let's see if I can drill this. Nothing is happening. Maybe is happening something? Well, it's not going that easily that I remember. Okay! Now we are talking. I just need to turn this. Oh, I like it. Well, I think this is it. Woohoo! Then these two. Then these two. Then these two. Well, I need to put some of those. Oops. This just doesn't matter, but under the edge of the toilet to make it more level and where it's the space, you know, so it's stable. I think this is it. Now I can put this on. Okay, I think this is steady. Now I just need to put the silicone around, but this I'm gonna do after a walk today in the afternoon. So I think this is it for now. I got this to pull on. But first, I put the silicone around. Let me see if there's any water going. I think it's working. And I can put this on. I got instruction, of course. No, this is not instructions. Well, I don't have instructions, so I need to figure it out on my own, I guess. No pictures. Oh, well, I found instructions. Hope nothing falls into this toilet, because now it's already water inside. So I think this should be like that. And then these three are going back here. And then you screw it with this funny thing. Oh well, I done this too quick. First I need to put this in the right position before I screw this. First putting this on, I guess. Woohoo! I got my toilet back! The new one! What you? Look how slow this goes. I was 2 weeks without this toilet. Not this one, but I realized that my temporary toilet is really okay, so I didn't hurry putting this back. So yeah, I finished everything and now I got these two. Now I need to put the silicone around. Yeah, let's do that. Well, this one is not white silicone, it's silver. I hope it's gonna be okay. Let's do this. Well, this is something I'm not that good at, but I will do my best. Well, this doesn't look silver. Here is like this color, but in the reality, this is more like beige or what, I don't know. But I'm gonna use it anyway, so now I'm gonna use it all around the bathroom, on the floor, and in the shower too. It's gonna be so weird color here. I thought it's like a silver, like a gray one. So I don't know how it's gonna look this. I don't know if I'm needing this to put here, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I really don't think this is necessary. Man, this is ugly. Or maybe I just don't show you it close. Yeah, that's it. That's it. It's fine. It's fine. So, I'm done here. I'm not gonna put this here right now, or anytime soon, I guess, because I really need to move into my walkway and prepare everything there to tile the floors, so that when the doors comes and it will come fast, so I need to do that. But for now, I got my toilet, so I can remove my temporary toilet downstairs. Well, you served me well, but I don't need you anymore. So, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye. Bye, bye, bye. I'm out, I'm out, I'm out. Ti svržem. Sam mi možeš dati. Ne daš mi? Daj, no. Stop, 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 stop. Stop. Bravo, bravo. Spera, moram te uvraš, vidite. Palica! Dol! Dol! Počakat! Počakat! Šibi! Okay.